sit down.
What's he up to this time?
I have no idea.
Listen up. I'm giving each of you $100 to go online and buy a 2-meter HDMI cable. Don't fail me. Here's your money. Now get out. So what do you got for me?
Alright, boss. I got you a gold-plated HDMI cable. Cost me $99.95 with 5 cents to spare.
Okay, what about you?
Well, boss, I got you the 2-meter HDMI cable, and I had some money to spare. So I also picked up laptop accessory kits, an optical USB mouse, an HD card DVR, a spy camera pen, and a USB key. And I saved you 20 bucks.
Maybe this is a ripoff. GF bought all this stuff for less. Get out of my sight.